ready, are you? Here's my gear. With everything in there. Have 2, 3, and this is the fish tank. I have an axe here. It's a tactical axe. It have a saw inside, knife inside. Here's I have another telescopic pole right here. That's for the big fish. It's a feet and half, I think. Scissor inside there is a lot of gear, and I have a fish weight here, plier, scissor, knife right there. Here's a knife right here. So I'm ready. Are you ready? Here's my 2 telescopic pole as well right now. Pole puller. I have 2 of them. I just bring one, and inside is all the other gear, the bait, the hooks, the line, and a lot of stuff in there. So that's it.